Imagine you're floating in space, and in front of you is the darkest thing in the universe, a black hole. It doesn't shine, it doesn't glow, it doesn't reflect anything. It's like a hole ripped into reality itself. And the question is, what would actually happen if you fell into one? Would you get instantly crushed? Would you freeze? Would you teleport? Would you time travel? Let's break it down, step by step, in the most realistic way possible. First, what even is a black hole? It's basically what happens when a massive star dies and collapses into itself. The gravity becomes so strong that it compresses matter into an unbelievably tiny space. And once the gravity becomes strong enough, it creates something called the event horizon. The event horizon is basically the point of no return. Once you cross it, not even light can escape. That's why it's called a black hole, because black holes don't suck like a vacuum cleaner. They're just objects with gravity so extreme that the escape speed is faster than the speed of light. Now imagine you're drifting closer. At first, you might not even notice anything. If you were far away, the black hole would act like any other object in space. It could orbit with stars, pull planets, and bend light. But as you get closer, something weird happens. You'd start seeing the stars behind the black hole bend around it, like the universe is warping. This is called gravitational lensing. It would look like reality itself is being twisted. And if the black hole is feeding on nearby gas and dust, you'd also see a glowing ring around it called an accretion disk. This disk can be hotter than the surface of the sun, spinning at insane speeds. So before you even touch the black hole, you might get fried by radiation from the disk. But let's assume you somehow survive and fall in anyway. Here's where things get terrifying. As you fall closer to the event horizon, time behaves differently. To you, time feels normal. You're falling, your heart is racing, everything feels real, but to someone watching you from far away, they would see you slow down, slower, and slower, and slower. It would look like you're frozen in place right above the event horizon. And the light coming from your body would get stretched in two longer wavelengths, so you'd start looking red. Then darker, then invisible. This is called gravitational time dilation and redshift. Basically, gravity is so strong it bends time itself. From the outside universe, it looks like you never fully fallen, but from your perspective, you cross the event horizon like it's nothing. And once you cross, you cannot go back. Here's the creepiest part. If it's a supermassive black hole, like the one at the center of our galaxy, you might not even notice when you pass the event horizon. There's no wall, no sudden explosion, no magical boundary. You could literally cross the point of no return without realizing it. But at that moment, the universe has changed, because every direction you could travel now points deeper into the black hole. Even moving at the speed of light wouldn't help. The event horizon is basically where escape becomes physically impossible, and now, you're falling toward the singularity. Now comes the famous part, spaghettification. This happens because gravity gets stronger the closer you are to the black hole. So if you fall feet first, your feet are closer to the black hole than your head. That means your feet experience stronger gravity than your head, and the black hole starts stretching you like a noodle. Your body would get pulled longer and thinner. Your bones would snap, your organs would be stretched, your atoms would begin separating. You wouldn't just die. You'd be turned into a stream of matter, a long, glowing trail of you spiraling downward, and it's not because black holes are hot. It's because the gravity difference across your body becomes violent. This tidal force is so strong that it literally rips you apart. Now here's the scary truth. Nobody knows exactly what happens after that, because once something crosses the event horizon, it can never send information back out. So physics becomes complicated. According to Einstein's equations, everything eventually reaches the center, called the singularity. The singularity is where density becomes infinite and space-time becomes infinitely curved, but most scientists believe that singularities don't actually exist in the way we imagine. It's more like our current understanding of physics breaks down. We need a theory of quantum gravity to explain it. Some theories suggest you're crushed into a single point, you're destroyed completely, you get converted into pure energy, or the information that makes you gets stored on the event horizon itself. This leads to one of the biggest mysteries in physics. This is called the information paradox. Physics says information cannot be destroyed, but black holes seem to erase everything. If you fall in, where does the information about you go? Some scientists believe black holes store information on their surface like a hologram. Others think it escapes slowly through something called Hawking radiation. Hawking radiation is basically black holes slowly evaporating over time, so theoretically, a black hole could eventually disappear. But what happens to everything it swallowed? That question still has scientists arguing today. So what happens if you fall into a black hole? From the outside, you freeze in time. From your view, you fall normally. Then gravity stretches you into spaghetti. And beyond the event horizon, the universe hides the rest forever, because a black hole isn't just a giant vacuum. It's a place where space and time stop playing by the rules. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'm posting more insane science videos like this. And comment what topic I should cover next.